I work for a public safety department as a reserve officer, and I wanted to go to the fire academy. I was looking for a place that was flexible, which OCC has with the Night Academy. This is probably one of the top-notch agencies and places to train. We've got real houses that are built. We've got a huge training center, newer style apparatuses that allow us to train on the real world stuff and not just sitting and reading out of a book and watching a lecture. We get out and we do a lot of hands-on, and we get involved, and the instructors get involved with us as well. All of our instructors are very knowledgeable. They all work in the public safety field, as firefighters or EMTs or paramedics. They come in every day and they expect the best out of us. They also make sure to teach us the real world stuff and the actual practical stuff. So it's not just sitting in a chair and reading out of a book. It's getting out there and doing the hands-on stuff and showing us things that they've learned in their years of service in their career. We do a lot of advanced trainings that you don't get in other academies. I mean, even on the department that I'm on, we have guys who've gone through the academy and don't have the amount of training that I got from my academy that they got in their academy. They push you to your best, and they push you not just to your limit, but to make sure that you know what you're doing. And when you leave here, you do feel like you're an excellent firefighter or public safety personnel going into the field.